blizzard. Ow! But we've got this much snow, which is a lot.
Deep it is. Look at my boots. They didn't even come out.
Katrina and Lily are in their room making fun of us right now. Yeah, we're good. We're alive. It's actually pretty cool out. Jessica. Jessica, you baby. They're being stupid. There's a lot of snow, right? And it's not that bad. Well, until it starts lightning and everything. It has been.
Oh, look at you. Over here.
Yep. Look, we're sinking. We're sinking.
Oh, yeah.
My hair froze already, so that's good. It's really cold.
Really?
The eye is here. Oh, there's a lot of wind. A lot of wind, a lot of snow, a lot of
Oh, I
lightning.
just got smacked.
We shouldn't be out in this, but we are, so let's keep that our little secret.
Yeah, how about
Oh, shit. How about we look into it for, ow. Okay, we're going back inside. This is freaking insane.